So hi everyone, this is Asterix again, and I'm going to explain you the solution of problem A, equidistant letters. And this is of the today's educational round 121, which was initially rated for Div 2. But what happened during the contest is we had a very different kind of problem. There is a electrical default at their side, and the contest was just abruptly closed around half an hour before the end. So yeah, probably those who give contest today are well aware of this problem. But anyways, the primary thing is knowledge. So let's jump right into it. So the problem is you are given a string S which consists of lowercase Latin letters. Every letter appears in it no more than twice. Okay, so no more than twice. So the letters can occur only once, or they can occur twice, right? So your task is to arrange the letters in the string in such a way that each pair of letters that appear exactly twice, the distance between the two letters in the pair is the same. You are not allowed to enter or remove the letters. So it can be shown that the answer always exists. So what this problem says is, so there can be a string where the letters can wait. What happened? Yeah. So there is a possibility that the letters occur like that. So the letters may be A, B, C, D. Yeah. Again, then this may be repeating it some intervals. Anything. Some of them are repeating. So let's suppose C and B are the repeating ones. So this can be the string. So what we have to do is we have to arrange this string so that the letters which are occurring more than once, they appear at they occur in the string at equal distances, right? So what this means is, suppose we have these B and C are the repeating ones, right? So suppose I'm writing BC here. So if I write again BC here, so this B will be occurring at the distance 1, and this C will be occurring at distance 1. So this satisfies our condition, and we will just arrange the remaining letters after that. So I just explained you the approach in quite simple terms. So the alphabets which are repeating, we just write them first and just write them twice. We write them first and we write them twice, and just write the remaining letters. Just write the remaining letters after that in any order, because we have to just arrange the letters, right? The order doesn't matter. That's what this question was saying, and this was quite simple one. If you want to see my code, I can just show you the code, because some of you were asking in the comments for the code. So I just explain you the code right at once. Yeah. So see, I have taken a default dictionary, but I haven't used this anywhere, so just skip this part. So I have taken a set called double, and I've taken a set called single. In fact, I haven't used this double set also. So you can just take a set and name it as single. You can take an answer, and this is an empty list. So I'm just iterating over the whole string, and if the element which I encounter at the string, if it is not already present in the set single, so I will add it in the single. So I'm just taking an account of the alphabets which are occurring once. Okay. And if the same letter I encounter again, then I will just append it to my answer. Okay, I will just append it to my answer, and I will just remove that element from the single set. What I did is, suppose this is my string. So I just encounter A. So this is my set, this is my single set. So I put A into it, then I encounter B, I put B into it, I put C, I put D. Now what happen is I encounter C. Now this C is already present in it, so my final answer, C will be written in my final answer. C will be written in my final answer. Now this C will be removed. So now I encounter B. So this B will be written in my final answer, and this B will be removed. So what I did is, so now the whole array is completed. So my answer, I will just repeat it again. I'll just repeat it again, and I just add the remaining elements in the set to my final answer in whatever order it may be. So AD. So this is my answer, CB, CB, AD. So yeah. So I'll just double that array, double that answer. So double that answer means CB, and now again double that with the same element CB. because they are occurring twice. And now at the end I will just join, and then for every element in the single set I will just append that element into the answer, and after that I'll just print the whole array joined by empty string. That is, this whole thing will be converted to string and every element will be joined together. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The problem is only that much. I'll bring you the solution of problem B. I was able to solve it. So yeah, bye bye. Please subscribe to this channel. I regularly post these things because these days I'm free and I'll just post these answers. So goodbye. Meet you in the next video.